So we worked on the Internet Safety Project. As you can see, we ran into some issues with Drupal as an API, which we'll talk about a little bit. We started out planning using PERT and Gantt charts describing the tasks that we'd have to accomplish. We added some workflow diagrams for how the views would interact with each other. And we created some different designs. This is just a couple of the pages we went through, but there were a few iterations there. We were just trying to figure out how we could make this thing different than a normal web browser.
So our process was mostly, after we got that plan and had our charts and everything, we'd meet at least once a week after class, at least 15-20 minutes, and talk about what type of stuff we'd learned about, especially since we were learning Android. We'd talk about individual assignments that we were going to work on, and then we did a lot of prototyping where we'd build something to throw away, mostly just for the learning process and making sure we were building a good product. And then we did a combination of individual and paired programming. And then we just kind of had to fight the Drupal API. It was kind of a pain at times, just because it was very limited in what we could do with it.
So those are the biggest problems that we faced in the project. It was mostly, we had to end up dropping out some of the features that we had planned to do, just because we spent so much time trying to figure out Drupal and how to turn it into an API, and because we don't have access to the actual system to change it, so we depend on someone else. So that's a lesson in risk management right there. Anyway, for more on our product, we made a different video for that. But that's all, folks.